Skoda has announced pricing and specs for its upcoming Enyaq electric SUV, with deliveries expected from spring 2021. Before we get stuck into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button so when we make a new video, it comes up in your YouTube feed and you won't miss any future content. Announced earlier this year, the Enyaq is Skoda's first all-electric car based on Volkswagen Group's MEB platform. This is the same structure that the VW ID.3 is built on and pretty much any other brand new electric car in the VW Group. It will be available to order from late 2020 with deliveries expected in 2021. Prices start from £33,450 before the government plug-in car grant. In terms of design and practicality, well, the Enyaq is most definitely an SUV. After all, Skoda says it is. But the compact frame and low-slung styling means it looks more like a traditional hatchback from the side. However, it does of course have the ride height and dimensions you'd expect from an SUV. It measures about 4.6 meters long and 1.8 meters wide. To give you a comparison, it's about as wide as the Volvo XC40, but slightly longer, with the Volvo coming in at around 4.4 meters. Boot space is bigger than the XC40 though, at 585 liters. So what else do you need to know? Well, battery size is clearly the new trim level for Skoda, as manufacturers look to give customers a range of trim options and a range of, well, ranges. It can be a little tricky to decipher which model variant is right for you. Electric cars often mean that battery size comes first, so Skoda has decided to run with this concept, meaning the model structure is based around battery size first and trim options second. This makes much more sense if you ask us. There are two main battery pack options, 62 kWh and 82 kWh. Each have three interior trim options to choose from, so let's run through them. You have the Enyaq 60. This is the entry-level model starting from £33,450, and that's before the government grant. It has a 62 kWh battery pack, which is good for a range of 242 miles. You get 50 kilowatt DC rapid charging as standard for use with public rapid chargers, but you can upgrade this on the Enyaq 60 model to 100 kilowatts to take advantage of those more powerful rapid chargers that are popping up across the UK. For a 10 to 80% recharge here, you're looking at around 45 minutes if you don't upgrade. This version comes with 19-inch alloys, rear parking sensors, keyless entry, plus you get a 13-inch infotainment screen inside. You get the basic interior trim called Loft, which features fabric and artificial leather seats. However, you can upgrade to the lounge or suite interior trims if you want leather inside. Secondly, you get the Enyaq 80. This includes, unsurprisingly, the larger 82 kWh battery pack for a range of 316 miles. This costs from £38,950. For that, you get a slightly better standard spec, which includes some chrome detailing, front parking sensors and rear view camera. Inside, you also get a heated 2-spoke leather steering wheel, plus flappy paddles so you can show off to your mates. Obviously, these don't do anything as exciting as changing gear, no gears in an EV of course, but you can change the level of regen braking here. You also get bigger 19-inch alloy wheels, and as with the entry-level version, you can upgrade the interior to the lounge or suite trim. In terms of rapid charging, you also get the standard 50 kilowatt DC rapid charging for use with public chargers, but you can upgrade this to 125 kilowatts if you so wish. As this has a bigger battery, you can expect a 10 to 80% recharge in around 38 minutes. Just like many other manufacturers at the moment, it seems a popular choice to do a limited production first edition model or something similar, and Skoda is no different. You can get a founder's edition model. This will be the range-topping variant with an 82 kWh battery, 125 kW DC charging as standard for use with rapid chargers, 21-inch alloys, illuminated front grille, and matrix LED headlights. Prices for this version start from £49,995. So what do you think to the Skoda Enyaq? Are you happy that it's an SUV? Would you prefer a different shape or a different style of car from Skoda? And what do you think to how Skoda has organized the trim levels? Do you prefer that they are prioritizing battery first and trim second, or would you prefer that they stick with a more traditional way of organizing their models? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well, so we know that you like this content and we'll make more of it. See you next time.